How to check someone's location on Google Maps. Let's get started. First of all, keep in mind that the person must be sharing your location with you for this to work. If they are not sharing, here's what they have to do. They have to open Google Maps, tap on the profile icon, then tap on Share Location. Then tap on Share Location again. And just like that, they have to choose your account to share the location with. Once your location is shared, you can now open Google Maps in your device. Go to your profile icon, then simply tap on Location Sharing. Now you will be able to see their live location on the map. You can zoom in or zoom out to view their exact position. Even if you go back to your main map screen, their location will still be visible there. That's it. That's how you can check someone's location on Google Maps. Just remember, this only works with their permissions. That's it. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, consider subscribing to our channel and liking this video.